Imagine this. The sun is shining, your roof is just sitting there, and somehow electricity is being created. No wires from the sun, no fuel, no noise. Sounds like magic, right? But it's not magic. It's science. And once you understand it, it's actually surprisingly simple. Solar panels don't store sunlight. They don't heat water, and they don't need blazing hot weather to work. So how does sunlight turn into electricity that powers your lights, phone, and TV? Today, we're breaking it down step by step in the simplest way possible. No complicated formulas, no engineering degree required. First, let's clear up a big misunderstanding. A solar panel is not one solid piece. It's actually made of many small units called solar cells. Think of it like a chocolate bar. One big bar made of many little squares. Each of those cells has one job only: turn light into electricity. And almost all solar cells are made from the same material, silicon. Why silicon? Because silicon is very good at reacting when light hits it. That reaction is where everything begins. Now here's the key moment. Sunlight isn't just light. It's made of tiny energy packets called photons. When photons hit a solar cell, they knock electrons loose inside the silicon. And when electrons start moving, electricity is created. That's it. That's the core idea. No spinning parts, no fire, just light hitting silicon and electrons moving. This effect even has a name, the photovoltaic effect. But right now, the electricity being created isn't ready for your home yet. Inside each solar cell are two layers of silicon. One layer has extra electrons. The other layer is missing electrons. This creates a natural push. So when sunlight frees electrons, they don't move randomly. They move in one direction. That one-way movement is what creates direct current electricity, or DC power. But there's a problem. Your home doesn't use DC power. Your lights, fridge, TV, and phone charger all run on AC power, not DC. So how do we fix that? This is where an important device comes in, the inverter. The inverter takes the DC electricity from the solar panels and converts it into AC electricity, the kind your house can use. Think of the inverter as a translator. Solar panels speak DC. Your home speaks AC. The inverter makes sure they understand each other. Without it, solar panels would be useless. Here's something most people don't realize. Solar panels often produce more electricity than you need, especially during the day. So where does that extra power go? There are two main options. Option 1, it goes into the power grid. Your electric meter may even run backward. Option 2, it gets stored in batteries for later, like at night. That's why solar power can still help even when the sun goes down. The energy was already captured earlier. Quick myth-busting moment. Do solar panels need bright sunshine? No. They work on cloudy days, rainy days, even cold days. They just work less efficiently. In fact, solar panels often perform better in cooler temperatures than extreme heat. So solar power isn't just for deserts. That's why you see panels in places with lots of clouds. Solar panels have no moving parts. That means less damage and less maintenance. They don't burn fuel, they don't make noise, and sunlight is free. Once installed, they can produce electricity for 25 years or more. That's why homes, schools, factories, and even entire cities are switching to solar. Not because it's trendy, but because it works. So let's recap it simply. Sunlight hits silicon. Electrons start moving. Electricity is created. An inverter makes it usable, and your home gets powered by the sun. No magic, just smart design. The next time you see solar panels on a roof, you'll know that house is literally running on sunlight. If you enjoyed this simple explanation, like the video, share it with someone who still thinks solar panels store heat, and subscribe for more surprising stories behind everyday technology. Because sometimes the most powerful ideas are also the simplest.